Hello everyone, my name is Manga. Today we're going to try to do week 4 assignment. The week's based on OPP, which is object-oriented programming. It's on abstraction, polymorphism, encapsulation, and inheritance. I think today assignment will be of inheritance, where we inherit the class. Sorry. Where we inherited the class of introduce to print the method of introduce to print the class information. So let's go create a Python class and name class head name person. Person class should have the following attributes: name, gender, and age. Implement a method called introduce that print a message introducing the person with their name, age, and gender. Create an instance of the person class called the introduce method to display the person's information. So let's go. Creating name, setting class person, class person. Commenting, creating a class. You create a class with a keyword class. Person must start with the name of the class must always start capital letter, and then we define method init with a double underscore there. And then we could as contractor self attribute name, the same as the name, age, gender, is colon, and then put the contractor name, assigned to name, contractor age, and assigned to age, contractor gender, assigned to gender, and then we must create a method called introduce, called is introduce. Okay, let me comment it because now it can end up maybe just share to print hello, my name is, because we may not even use self, but because we have an attribute there, parameter, which is self dot I am H A O, and I am the gender. And then now we need to create an instance comment, create an instance, or you can say an object of the pasting photos. Let's just say pasting one. We will send to pasting. Then we can give it information. His name is Shaka, my favorite person on earth. Let's say it's 100 years. Of course, is a male. And then now we're calling or invoking the introduce method to display the person info. And this is what we call inheritance. Okay, but it's not really inheritance per se. But it calls the method calls the class that class can say person one. Then we call it introduce, not the class. Introduce. Think right there. Introduce person. Oh, who's my person? Oh, so of the way you inject your lines. So the pattern should run. Let me save. And then let's run it to verify if is it tweaking. Hello, my name is Shaga. I'm 200 years old and I'm a male. Voila, I think we're done. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more of the class that I teach, what Python and assignment that we do. Thank you very much.